everybody, back with another video. I know it's been a while. This is probably the most long-awaited, most anticipated video for myself, at least, just because I've been wanting to do this video for a couple years now. Obviously, if you read the title of the video, it's going to be an exhaust video. I personally think I have the best sounding Ecoboost Mustang setup for a stock Ecoboost. And when I say stock, I'm saying there's no tune, no intercooler, no intakes, like none of that, you know? So this is pretty much for a stock Ecoboost Mustang. I believe I have the best sounding setup. My current setup is a Flowmaster Outlaw Axelback along with the CVF white pipe. Obviously it has the res delete. I'm going to show you a lot of clips, well, as many clips as I can think of as far as sounding wise, for you guys to actually have an idea and a perspective on how it actually sounds. The whole setup is actually not even that expensive. I always tell everyone this is probably the best bang for your buck setup. If I remember correctly, the white pipe was about $120. Axelback exhaust from Flowmaster, that cost me around $400, somewhere around there. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description. I actually did both things myself, and I used the clamps. I rented an exhaust cutter or a pipe cutter from AutoZone. Obviously, you get your money back when you return it. Down the road, I ended up actually going to a muffler shop and getting my stuff welded, just because I am lowered, so the clamps were scraping at one point, and I didn't want that. So actually, the white pipe stayed clamped, but I did get the actual exhaust welded on both sides. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys some clips. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope this is the best exhaust video you could find for Ecoboost Mustang, because I've seen a lot of terrible exhaust videos and I see some good exhaust videos, so I hope this is gonna be the best exhaust video. So please like and subscribe, guys. I promise I'm gonna give you more content. I got this new little rig going on, so I'm more motivated than ever to actually do more videos. It's a lot more convenient for me. But yeah, so please smash that like and subscribe button and turn on that post notifications, because you're not gonna wanna miss any of the new videos I'm gonna have coming right after this one as well. And really quick, guys, let's be clear. When I said I have the best sounding Ecoboost Mustang setup, first of all, for a stock Mustang, because I already know you guys are going to tag me in the comments. But second of all, I'm not being biased, because I've heard tons of other Ecoboost Mustang setups personally, not just over videos. Like, I've seen them. Everyone has Ecoboost Mustangs around here. And one friend in particular, Wildish, I know if you follow me or watch my videos, he has the 5.0 right now, but he used to have an Ecoboost Mustang, and he had a full Roush setup. And he'll personally tell you, like, I don't know if he'll personally tell you, this is probably the only time you'll hear it, but he admitted to me that, you know, mine sound a little better. I wanted him to say it on camera, but he said you'll never catch me doing that. But yeah, he admitted it. He had a full Roush setup, and he admitted it. Mine sounded better. Mine definitely cost cheaper as well. You know, he spent more for his setup. So just because you spend more on your setup doesn't mean it's gonna sound better, guys. Yeah, like I've heard MBRPs, full Roush setup, straight pipe. Like I said, hopefully after you guys watch this video, you guys understand that I'm not being biased, and I actually do believe I have one of the best sounding setups, and hopefully the video will do justice. I know a lot of times it doesn't, but I'm gonna try my best to get you some true clips on how it might sound. Let's get to the rest of it. All right, so we're gonna go on a little drive. So let's turn around and I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds pretty much cruising. Honestly, I really enjoy just cruising, especially when you're in sport mode. you just hear those downshifts a lot more. I don't know if you're able to hear them in the video, but trust me, the downshifts, that's probably one of my favorite parts of this car. So let's go a little bit of speed. Just to the, you hear that? With the blow off valve and the exhaust tone. Well, you heard it once. Hopefully you heard it that one clip, because it's a lot more consistent. It's just because I'm used to driving it a lot. We're just gonna drive back. I'll let you guys just hear how it sounds. I'll do probably halfway there with the windows down. So yeah, about halfway there, I'm gonna close the windows. That way you guys can hear how it sounds with the windows up. All right, let's go. Okay. Remember, I have a blow-off valve adapter as well, if you guys have seen my blow-off video. So that's what that whistle is. The exhaust itself won't give you that. There's one downshift without even doing anything. You hear that? That was again, that's with nothing on the gas pedal. So like if you're coming to a stoplight, like or a stop sign, like that's what you're gonna hear, and that's one of my favorite parts is the downshifts. So let me just put the windows up, that way you guys can hear how it sounds with them. And I know you guys are gonna ask about drone. Drone is not bad at all. Like, even though the exhaust sounds great for an Ecoboost, like as far as highway speeds and all that stuff, drone is nothing I'd worry about. Because if you're worried about drone, more than likely you're not gonna have a good sounding exhaust setup from the outside as well. So I know for the Ecoboost, you kind of want to get as loud as you can get. That wasn't full throttle either, guys, so don't be like, damn, that's slow. I mean, it's Ecoboost, I know it's pretty slow, but that was not full throttle. Turning in, let me do a little jerkiness, you know, because that's how you can hear the exhaust. That's not how I normally drive. I don't drive like an asshole, but I want you guys to hear it. But yeah, so that's probably going to be the end of the drive, you know, pretty short, but sweet, hopefully. So good. Hear that downshift, Jesus, that sounds great. So I'm going to pull over right here. That way I could turn around, turn this camera. So yeah, I'll turn the camera right now. And there you go. So that's going to be about the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do recommend that you guys get this set up. Obviously, that's why I'm making the video. Like I said, I do believe I have the best sounding setup. But even if you guys don't go with this, you know, or if you guys already have a setup and you're just watching this just to watch it, I mean, I appreciate everyone that does watch it. I hope you guys like the video as well. But leave in the comments what you guys have, and hopefully that'll help some other people that didn't like this setup maybe have a better idea and they could explore their options. So go ahead and leave in the comments what setup you have or what you think sounds the best. This is probably one of the favorite things about my car. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. A lot more content coming, like especially with the new setup I have. It's a lot cooler, you know, and I could do more things with it as far as filming and perspective wise. So I'll probably do some more POVs for you guys as well. But yeah, please like and subscribe, guys. Thank you all so much for all the support and everything, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.